traders, FS Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the dollar yen, very, very impulsive down. Looks like the end of a wave 5, and if it is the end of a wave 5, then it will eventually take out the low of wave 4. But this is the monthly time frame, and something like that potentially could take even a year or more to play out. But it doesn't necessarily have to do that either. It could possibly make a crutch into the last 5 waves up, and a lot of the yen pairs do look like this big move down is likely to be a crescent. So, as of right now, we definitely look at it as either a 1, 2, 3 or an ABC. Going down to the weekly time frame is where you can kind of see what I'm talking about, because this first impulsive move down is either a wave 1 or a wave A. Eventually, it's going to go back up and make a crescent to this move down, which is either a wave B or a wave 2. Then when it starts its third wave down, that's when we're going to have to stop paying attention, because if it goes down, makes a smaller trend, turns at one of these fib extensor levels, gives you a nice break of structure to the upside, then that's what's going to tell us it's a wave C, and that's going to be the continuation of the uptrend. On the other hand, if it doesn't do that and it just keeps on going down, making lower lows, lower highs, and just keeps on trending very impulsively, then we'll know that it is a wave 3. So going down to the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, we technically did get a break of structure to the upside. I think what might have happened is we might have had a failed wave 5, or what they call a truncheon wave 5 in Elliott wave terms. I think this is likely a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave A, or possibly wave 1. I personally don't care whether it's a wave A or wave 1 at this point in the pattern, because the trading strategy is exactly the same. If this really is a failed wave 5, then potentially we might be in for a pretty good move to the upside for like an A, a B, and a C correction, which is a correction to this whole move down. Most likely a way ABC of B or an ABC of 2, which I honestly don't care whether it's a B or 2 either, because the trading strategy is exactly the same for a wave B as it is for a wave 2. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, we definitely do have a break of structure to the upside. Should prove that this move down is over. If that move down is over, then likely we are in an uptrend. So I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. I'm looking for Fibonacci bounces. I'd like to see 1, 2, 3 patterns. 1, 2, 3 ways down. Nice Fibonacci bounces in order to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, this first move down is very impulsive, so likely it's only a wave A. Likely it probably will turn up, but the move up is probably going to be a wave B, and it'll probably eventually turn back down for a wave C. So I don't expect it to just keep on trending up now. Sometimes what you think is a wave B does just keep on continuing the uptrend, so definitely be aware of that. But I think it's more likely that we will make a more proper looking ABC correction before we actually do end up continuing the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.